sunny again. It's still foggy. It's not foggy, it's all cloudy. All cloud. I only do this. It's cool. I can fresh air. Doesn't use, model A totally useless. Yeah. I made a short video. You said that one, the first I had. I don't put that one, but now I took a long nap. I guess I got tired, really tired, and we got food. That's good. We got food, chicken sandwiches, chicken cheese sticks, anything. That's all. We'll see you later, right? But after done that, I wanted my own meal. Alright? See ya. I like fresh air. And at around 7 to 8, I want to eat cereal. Now, on TV, that's it. I don't know cook. Not. That's it, alright? I want to eat cereal. That's it. Hey, Tony, come on. Charlie just start to bark. Alright? See ya. Look. Milo. Let's go, Milo and Charlie. Morning. Just woke up now. I get fresh air. I took Milo outside. Just listen. Charlie went that way. That's fine. I woke up right now. I want to eat cereal. And that's it. Tell my dog's crazy, And I'm now in Israel. That's it. And I'm going to the living room and watch TV and a half, and that's it. See ya. I'm starting to activate the text right now. It's right here now. I ordered it and call. Wish. When I open it right now, I need the two hands open it. That's it. It's a use second. But it's yeah. This has more men. See? And I finally got it now. I'll use this one, my own phone. I have more memory. Okay. That's 3, huh? I have 2 more now. There's not this one, not this. I have 2 more. It's really big. It's a big. This is one for my phone. This this phone built my table, and it's built right here, and it's like it's a big clipper. It clips my film here and put on my table. It's told to be look like right here, right here. The clipper film right here. It's look like a arm. Yeah, look like a arm. And the clips right here, my table. See, it's a lacy clear lacy phone. It's a home phone. I know it's the same thing. Sweet. Okay. Here, Madonna's here. Right there. Here's fresh air. It's a great day. I thought it doesn't hinder me. The orange cut is right there. I think we did. Madonna's right there. That's it. Right now I ate. We're making a pasta. It's chicken. The pasta. It looks like a chicken fettuccine. The certain way. It's good. I ate 2 plates. Like a water, a drink. I took my dog off the chair. That's all. Right now I still watch the TV. I'm not watching TV. I'm watching my phone on YouTube. That's it. Right now it's good food I ate. And later on I might eat. Later on, maybe 6, 7. That's all. And I won't eat that again. Maybe, I don't know. And that's all. I guess my dog was there waiting. And that's it. I'd like to check right here. I'll check my room or the living room somewhere. And that's it. I'll see you later. See ya. What's up, dudes? What's up, everybody? Right now, I'm going to the store buy cat food for my cats. And that's it. Yeah, go to the store. I'm going to get maybe a candy or I'll get a cat food. And that's it. I'll come back all the way back home. That's all. And that's it. I want to get my own one big cat food and 2 cats. And my dog ever had a dog food. Yeah. Hey Harry, I'll see ya. The guy, I'm up there, okay. At the cover right here, you can see. I got extracted. I said pick just a candy and a candy bar. Candy, I can cut right here. If you can see, there. I'm gonna tie it. I'll be back. See ya. Hi folks, and now I'm making food now. I'm making chicken fries and cheese sticks. And this is all the regular. I just done up with the piece rolls and that's all. It's done. I'm making an iced tea and that's all. It's done. Folks, then food is done. Oh. It's good. It's good. It's warm up. Now I have my roast. About 2 minutes. I'll drink. Then I'm gonna go in the room and that's it. And the chips. I'll spend the next chips. That's it. And tomorrow I'll eat bagel tomorrow. And eat cereal and bagel. So I'll see you later. See ya. I'm putting it down. I got my phone now. I don't know what Netflix on YouTube. I got my drink, I got 2 drinks, my Gatorade and my tea, and that's all. And I'll see you later. See ya. Alright. I went to bed early. I got tired. Right now I want to say good morning to you. And I want to say I'll see you the next video. I want to do it now. I already did. And we do love the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, leave a comment, and always see you tomorrow. And like the channel, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.